Hey folks, what is a good solution for a VR environment? I tried to find it out. Basically something where we can simulate some environment. Maybe with glasses and interface to your brain. I made a basic share, which we can seal it off from the outside world. Surely this first version has space for updates. Let's check the integration. I am here. I filled the last open area behind the stasis capsules. And finally the corridor makes sense or have sense. The connection down to the energy adapter. I put some item to maintain. On this side we have access to the stasis area, a door to the shooting range, and after that a few room filler. I call that the crew fun section. The VA items here are very nice. Over 2 levels mean we have an obstacle and can tinker around 1 level above. I plan also on this something like a weapon test shooting range, but need to craft a weapon before. Surely we simulate everything like a hologram environment? Mean nothing really to build, maybe some weapon storage space. The doors around lead to the drone landing handling. And here's a primary weapon back right button. I add a port for the stasis pods. And here we are, the old canteen. Anyway, I add more sitting space to the coffee shop. The spacecraft will be bigger than expected, but very nice. I fairly complete this entire level. Then thanks so much for watching and see you next time.